it all started na siguro na overdo ko yung exercise because I've been doing my sabi ko, cardio Zumba, no? I do it actually for 30 minutes lamang a day. And then there are times na I forget to do my exercise. Medyo maraming ginagawa. So one time, dinoble ko ang time for doing that exercise. I double the time. So that is very bad pala, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng So as the saying goes, anything in excessive, no, is toxic talaga. Hindi talaga maganda yun. So that's a very good experience for me, no? So what I did, so the onset really started after doing that. So after the advent of that bad experience in the exercise, so ayun nga, so I started, nag-ano muna ako, I resorted to kasi magkaroon ako ng little by little, I experienced pain. And there I noticed the swelling in my knees. No, namamaga siya at saka sobrang sakit. And the pain progresses tumitindi na tumitindi day by day. Lumalakas na lumalakas ang kanyang ang pain niya sa tuhod ko. So until such time na I resorted to the alternative medicine, di ba, yung mga matatanda ng araw, sabi nila, madali lang yan kasi people experience the same thing, no? Na pagka sila nagkaroon ng mga inflammation, sasabihin nila, madali lang yan, gumamit ka lang ng tuba. That was recommended to me, gumamit lang ng tuba, lagyan ng tawag langis, and then, tawag turmeric, ibabalot mo, initan mo, ibabalot mo na sa tuhod mo. And then that helped talaga dahil little by little yung pain at saka inflammation kumukonti. So after that, syempre na-realize ko din naman na yung pain nga, since nagpo-progress siya, tumitindi yung pain. So I thought of consulting on my ortho, no, sa mga doktor sa buto, no, so I consulted. Ayun nga, and then after undergoing x-rays, ayun, lumabas nga na yung aking cartilage, yung pinaka-kutsyon sa between our knees, no, worn out na broken down na. So, I was actually advised to have a knee replacement na talaga na dahil sobra na ang tindi ng pain. That pain I had that pain for almost 7.5 months yun, no? I was almost immobile, hirap-hirap, tawag dito, hirap na hirap akong gumalaw. Kahit konti mong galaw talagang unbearable talaga yung pain, sobrang sakit, no? So, kaya naisipan ko na nga na ayun, magkonsulta sa doktor. So, ayun, I was advised to undergo a knee replacement. So, I do not like that, no? Ang hirap talaga. You have to undergo pa, tawag doon? Rehab. Ang tagal din ng rehab. So, besides, I don't like talaga ng operasyon dahil takot ako sa operasyon, mga pain, ganyan. So, under such time, I was invited actually by my retired co-teachers na yun nga, inayahan kami, sabi mag-attend kayo na meron anyang mag-i-explain sa amin all about wellness and longevity, no? So, hindi pa ako agad right away na nag-decide to join. It took me some time, and then I started joining na rin, no? Pinagbigyan ko yung kumari ko. So, after joining, the products, actually, there was this business presentation. So, yun natutunan ko nga, especially yung mga different products natin, no? So, when I started, so I enrolled, syempre, I became a member. When I started taking the products, yung cedar greens, at saka yung glutathione, I took them all at the same time. Dalawa sa umaga, dalawa sa gabi. So after taking these products, talagang I experienced some relief talaga noon. kumaunti na yung aking inflammation, konti-konti ng, oo, at saka yung pain, talaga sobra. So I'm so thankful talaga. So I've been doing that, no? I religiously from that time and until this time, I take these senior greens as well as the gluten and the other products religiously. No, that is my maintenance already. So I'm glad. I'm so thankful to God, and of course for our CEO, Mr. Charles Lam Ryan, and Mr. and PC, our CEO, for coming up with such wondrous products. Talagang ang galing-galing talaga nila. Talaga I owe my life. Kasi parang na ano na ako, parang nawala na ako nagganang mabuhay. Ang hirap pala mabuhay na, especially in my age, ano, ang hirap mabuhay na may mga pain ka. Ako, sa parang I tried, parang sinurrender ko na yung buhay ko. Sabi ko, ayoko ng ganito na I am living in pain, no? So, that's it. So, I'm so thankful talaga. At meron tayong ganitong product na talaga ng nakakatulong sa ating lahat. Yung nakakagawa tayo ng mission to help other people improve their quality of lives. Ano? So, thank you so much for your for letting me your eyes and ears. Thank you indeed. Good night. Thank you.